My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware, which is called Rar1. The video will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware affects the files. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack you are able to open the files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data. All that can be opened easily without troubles. However, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this Rar1 ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. This happens because of outdated anti-malware database of the vulnerable computer. So because of that, the ransomware encrypts the data, and then when people try to open the specific file, they get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file. So in other words, the ransomware encrypts these files and adds this Rar1 extension to them, and it's not possible to open these files anymore, and deleting this Rar1 extension does not fix the issue. The ransomware drops this ransom note on the computer screen, mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that your data would be restored, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money. What we recommend you to urgently do is to research your computer with the help of reliable anti-ransomware. We suggest that you use Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching and investigating your system. Click on Start a Scan button. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and then it will begin researching and investigating your system. Then at the lapse of some time you will see the information about all the threats which were revealed on your computer. So you will be able to know the information about threats and about their exact locations on the system. By the way, while the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait until the scanning is successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner antivirus, and then, as I said, Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. Of course, some threats can always be removed manually, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data protected. So, at the end of the scan, as we said, there will be the summary of infections. Combo Cleaner is able to detect threats like adware, ransomware, browser hijackers, fake system optimizers, and other malware. So use it to protect your data from further ransomware attacks and to maintain your computer clean.